Welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the five challenges when you are starting in Web3 and how to overcome them. And I know, so you are thinking about getting into Web3, but everything feels overwhelming, right? Too many buzzwords, zero clean direction, and let's to be honest, most tutorials out there make you feel like you are already too late. But in this video, I'll break down the real challenges when you are just starting in Web3, and more importantly, how to overcome them. So the first challenge, the learning curve is steep. So Web3 is not just about learning to code. You have to understand blockchain, smart contracts, wallets, gas fees, crypto economics. It's a lot. So even basic things like setting up a meta task or developing a simple contract can feel like rocket science if you are coming from zero, right? And the second challenge, if you don't know program, it feels harder. Most resources assume you already know JavaScript or Solidity, but what you're completely new to code, the gap becomes discouraging. The first challenge, the ecosystem moves too fast. Frameworks like Hardhat, Frontly, Next.js, they update so often their tutorial for 6 months ago might already be updated. And this is a challenge because you always need to be updating. But you really need to think that this is a good thing too, alright? Because when the things change too fast, you can see that it's an opportunity, is a new opportunity for you learn these new skills, right? Skills. So if you are new developer or a new tool is created, you can learn that and you are like equal, let's say, well, with the other people or other professional. This is good too, not uh, just bad. And the fourth, hype versus reality. You heard about people make millions with NFT or decentralized or the DAOs, alright? But when you are digging, it's just noise. It's hard to know what's real and what's hype. Yeah, and in this world of Web3, we have a lot of things that are we have a lot of things that are just hypes, and you really need to be careful with that too. And the five and the last sorry and the last challenge is market volatility. Yes, let's be honest, one day Ethereum is $3,000, next week is the half of the Zelo, is 1,500, is $1,500. All right, this messes with your motivation, or especially if you're building something in this space. So you really need to be careful of that, because yes, we know that this is a market volatility. Now I know that until now in this video I just said about the challenges, but now I wanted to show you the good side and the solutions and how you can cover these challenges, alright? But here's the truth. If you manage to stay focused on a strategy, the rewards in Web3 can be huge. It's what I imagine too. It's what I really imagine. I know that in today, when I'm recording this video, I'm not exactly on the market, but I know, I really believe that this is going to be a good potential, right, in the future. Yeah, but I know, and I really believe that this market in the future, we will still have a they have a this market has a good potential. Is what I believe in technology and what is can changing in other areas. All right, especially on blockchain technology. So not just financially, but in terms of freedom and impact. All right. So let's go. You don't need to be an expert to start. Yes, you don't need to be a senior developer, or right. You can start by understand how blockchains work, how tokens works, and build up from there. You can start using like crypto zombies. I am using crypto zombies too, and I really like that. Now I am starting, I am learning, I am diving into JavaScript. All right, is the first step. But I have used crypto zombies, and it is really like it. So, uh, I made a resource, and I saw that there are other soft or websites you can use to like build a space, Alchemy University, use Web3. So I will put this link on the description of this video, so you don't need to be an expert to start. Just start. Yes, just start. And focus in one stack first. Just one, just one, just one. Don't try to learn everything else. Pick one. Pick one. For example, JavaScript. And after, Solidity. Alright? And later, hard hat, for instance. So build one simple app that integrates them. But first, if you are starting with completely zero, I recommend it start with JavaScript. If you don't know, if you don't know, if you know, I recommend it Solidity. I know that I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional, and why should I recommend that? Because I made a lot of resource with other professional, other senior developers. This is what I'm saying. I'm telling you is exactly why they told me. All right. So the first, share the tip number 3. Share your learn journey in any place. For instance, now I'm trying to share my journey here in YouTube, but create a GitHub too, alright, or anything. So it will help you build a network, get support, and try to enter in communities. On Discord, looking for this place, this community, I know that this will really help you. I'm starting, I have entered in some communities, and I confess you that this is really helping. And volatility is the same of opportunity. Yes. Now, tip number 4. The market goes up and down all the time, but it also means less noise during bear market. It's the best time to learn and build. And the tip number 5, the last tip, Web3 is still early. Yes, despite what you may look like, Web3 is still in its early days. The real builders are just getting started, so you're not late. I know that we have a lot of things to learn, but it's time just to start. Okay, so yes, just to finish this video, Web3 is hard, but anything revolutionary is always it. The people who stay consistent now will be the one leading tomorrow. And if this helped you, leave a like and share it with someone starting Web3 too. And if you're on your own journey, drop a comment. I would love to hear history, and I will win through your history too. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye.